In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best cameras in 2024. Number 1. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The full-frame powerhouse. This camera is a beast. Its 40-megapixel full-frame sensor delivers stunning image quality, while its dual card slots and blazing fast autofocus make it a dream for professionals. I captured crisp wildlife shots in low light and smooth 8K video footage, all with the confidence of Canon's legendary reliability. However, the hefty price tag and large size might intimidate beginners. Number 2. Fujifilm XS20. The compact creator's dream, this mirrorless marvel packs a punch in a compact body. Its 26-megapixel APS-C sensor produces vibrant colors and sharp details, and its intuitive interface makes it perfect for enthusiasts. I love the retro design and film simulations, which brought a unique charm to my travel photography. Battery life and autofocus could be improved, but for the price and portability, it's hard to beat. Number 3. Sony A7 IV. The versatile all-rounder Sony strikes again with this well-rounded camera. Its 33-megapixel full-frame sensor excels in various scenarios, from landscapes to portraits. I found the video capabilities excellent, with 4K 60p and 10-bit internal recording, making it a vlogger's delight. The menu system can be overwhelming, and the built-in flash is lacking, but overall, the A7 IV is a fantastic option for anyone seeking a do-it-all camera. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The action-packed adventurer for adrenaline junkies and travel enthusiasts, the Hero 12 Black is an absolute must-have. Its rugged design and stabilized 5.3K video capture allow you to capture breathtaking action shots without a worry. I strapped it to my helmet during a mountain bike ride and emerged with smooth cinematic footage, even on bumpy trails. The battery life could be better, but the Hero 12 Black is the undisputed king of action cameras. Number 5. Panasonic Lumix DCG G92. The Micro Four Thirds master. Don't underestimate the power of Micro Four Thirds. The G92 proves its worth with its lightning-fast autofocus, impressive burst shooting, and weather-sealed body. I was blown away by its ability to track birds in flight and capture fleeting wildlife moments. While the full-frame sensors offer higher resolution, the G9i's compact size and excellent performance make it a compelling choice for nature and sports photographers. Beyond the specs, my personal take: choosing the best camera is subjective. Consider your budget, skill level, and shooting style. The R6 Mark II is a professional powerhouse, while the XS20 is a charming and portable companion. The A7 IV is a versatile all-rounder, while the Hero 12 Black reigns supreme in the action realm. The G92 is a Micro Four Thirds marvel for nature and sports enthusiasts. Ultimately, the best camera is the one that inspires you to capture the world around you. So, grab your chosen weapon, unleash your creativity, and remember, the greatest photos are not just about megapixels, but about the stories you tell through light and lens.